our audience.
That's it.
Might make her jump.
Hi, babies.
She's like, nope.
Abigail, they're not going to hurt you. First of all, Abigail, you've got this thing going up your little butt. No. It's just a kitty, you guys. I guess this is really the closest you've gotten to her. Because she hasn't let you around. There she can go. There she makes things. Oh, I'm sorry, Abigail. Did you see her? Oh, I'm sorry.
You gotta push it hard.